Hi students, now I am going to explain about the Wheatstone Bridge in shortest method. So what is the Wheatstone Bridge? Wheatstone Bridge is an arrangement of four resistance. Among the one of the resistance we will calculate the resistance accurately. This is known as the Wheatstone Bridge. So Wheatstone Bridge is having the 4 arms, arm 1, arm 2, arm 3, arm 4. So resistance 1 P, Q, R, S. So it is the voltage A, B, C, D. These are the four junctions A, B, C, D. So the current will be flowing from positive to the negative from the battery side. Battery positive, the current will be flowing I, end with the negative. So here at the junction A, the current will be divided into two parts. That is the I1 and I2. And here I3 and I4. This is the I. The current will be starting from positive node of the battery and it will be divided into two parts at the junction A, I1 and I2, and again it will be passes through I3 and I4, I ending with the negative charge. So here how many junctions are there? A, B, C, D, four junctions. How many loops are there? Four loops are there. Sorry, two loops are there. Loop 1, loop 2. So I am taking the clockwise direction. This is the galvanometer. The galvanometer resistance also flowing from positive to the negative. Remember that. Then here how many junctions are there? A, B, C, D. So junction law we are applying here. Junction law means Kirchhoff first law. Then next we are going to apply the loop law or Kirchhoff second law. What is the junction law? So junction law means Kirchhoff first law. Sum of the entering currents at the junction, sum of the entering currents at the junction equal to the sum of the leaving currents at the junction. At the junction A, at the junction A. So what are the entering current? I entering current, and then I1, I2 are the leaving currents. Sum of the entering currents equal to sum of the leaving current. So I is the entering current at the junction A, I1, I2 are the leaving currents. So I1 plus I2. At the junction B, at the junction B, what are the entering currents? I1 entering current, I3 leaving current, Ig leaving current. Then here I1 is equal to Ig plus I3. Ig is the galvanometer current. Then next at the junction C. At the junction C, what are the entering currents? I3 and I4 are the entering currents and I is the leaving current. So I is equal to I3 plus I4. So at the junction D. So at the junction D, what are the entering currents, leaving currents? I2 is the entering current, I4 is the leaving current, Ig is the entering current. So here I4 is equal to Ig plus I2. So here galvanometer deflection we know very well. Practicals also finished I think so now itself. So galvanometer deflection will consider as a zero deflection. So Ig becomes 0. So Ig becomes 0 means here equation I1 is equal to I3 and then next here also galvanometer deflection becomes 0. So I2 is equal to I4. So this is the Kirchhoff first law or junction law. Sum of the entering currents at the junction equal to sum of the leaving currents. Just deeply observe it. The battery positive current I will be divided into the at the junction A two parts I1 and I2, and at the junction C it will be divided into the I3 and I4 and combined together it will form the one closed loop. So we are applying Kirchhoff first law at the junction law A, B, C, D. So what are the entering currents? What are the leaving currents? I mentioned here. Galvanometer deflection we are mentioned as 0 for the null deflection. Remember that. Next Kirchhoff second law. Or loop law. This is junction law. Remember that. Here how many loops are there? Loop 1 and loop 2. So I am taking as a clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, whatever direction you are taking, the current direction and arrow mark direction will be the same direction, means you will consider as a positive. For example, you check it loop 1. So I am taking as clockwise direction. I1 and arrow mark will be same direction. Ig also same direction. will comes under I2 opposite direction, so it will be considered as a negative. For example, loop 2 you consider. So I am taking clockwise direction like this. So here Ig current will be the opposite direction, so minus Ig into G. Then next here same direction, I3 into Q. Then next here opposite direction, I4 into S. So first I am consider loop L1, then loop L2. For the loop L1, so loop L1, so I1 will be the same direction, so I1 into P, current into the resistance. P, Q, R, S are the four resistance, nothing but it will conduct with the 4 ohms. So I1 into P, then next. So galvanometer deflection, galvanometer current also same direction, plus Ig into G, then next. So I2 current will be the opposite direction, so minus I2 into R. I2 into R is equal to 0. So galvanometer deflection, null deflection will become 0. So what is the equation? I1P is equal to I2R. So this is the equation number. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. For the loop L2, for the loop L2. So I am taking in loop L2 also same clockwise direction. Just remember that one word. If you want to apply clockwise, both loops will be applied clockwise direction. If you want to apply anti-clockwise direction, means anti-clockwise, both are. So just you will apply, then you will get the answer. So Ig will be the opposite direction of arrow mark. So Ig into G. Then next I3 will be the same direction. Same direction means plus I3 into Q. Then next, then I4 will be the minus opposite direction. So I4 into S is equal to 0. So galvanometer deflection becomes 0. So I3Q is equal to I4S. Equation number 4. Then here equation 3 and 4 divide. Equation number 3 divided by equation number 4. What is the equation number 3? I1P divided by I3Q is equal to I2R divided by I4S. So here see the first equation, second equation, I1 is equal to I3. So I1 is equal to I3, both are gets cancelled. According to second equation, I2 is equal to I4. So I2 and I4 cancel each other. So what is the equation? P by Q is equal to R by S. So 4 resistance will be connected at the bridge. We have to calculate, for example, P means P is equal to R into S by Q. If you want to calculate R means P by Q into S. If you want to calculate S means Q by P into R is equal to S. So any one unknown resistance. So what is the Wheatstone bridge? Wheatstone bridge is an arrangement of 4 resistance are connected to the 4 ohms. P, Q, R, S. We have to calculate among the one unknown resistance accurately. So this is the brief discussion about the Wheatstone bridge. Thank you.